My name's Adam Short and welcome to the UK Coastal Trek. I've headed up into the mountains because I need to get some more mileage in today to get around to the post office, which is still 4 or 5 days away. I've only got 3 days worth of food left, so I need to pick up some more rations ASAP. So I decided to come up into the mountains at nightfall basically, which is probably the worst thing that anyone could do because you can easily lose your way in the mountains. The reason for that is because on my satellite images, which are particularly blurred and out of focus, I kind of spotted what looked like a trail, an old track or something like that. So I'm looking for it basically. Up here on the mountains, going by a blurry satellite image at dusk is like finding a needle in a haystack, but I will prevail. I will find that track and then try and get around to the top of the lock, so I've got a little less distance to make over the next couple of days to try and get to that post office a bit earlier. And there it is. Now that is what I call a waterfall. Absolutely impressive. Yeah. In an attempt to stick absolutely true to the coastline, I've managed to end up traversing a load of rocks just behind me here, hoping to get around the headland, but there is no way. There's nothing to hold on to, nothing. So I'm going to have to try and now climb up and out of here, which shouldn't really do without a safety rope, so don't attempt this at home. Again, I shouldn't do it with a broken backpack, because if that was to give way, then I'm going to fall. But so makes an interesting video, doesn't it? If you like this video, then why not share it with your friends?